Our next Tools of Photoshop tool is the Clone Stamp tool. So double click on Clone, Command 0, Fit to Screen, and you can see what's that? Okay, let's just turn the visibility of that layer off. There's text on there. You can see the imperfection really fast. There's a big tear on the left side of this photo. So we're going to correct that. And again, I'm going to duplicate my layer. And over here, this is your clone stamp tool. It looks like a stamp. And Photoshop is awesome because kind of new to the cloud, when you hover over the tool, it will give you a little very short video. It's like a GIF, basically, of what the tool does. So if you hover over the clone stamp tool and you watch that little animation, it gives you a sample of what it does. So click on the clone stamp tool. I'm going to increase the size of my brush. And again, similar to, as you remember, the healing brush tool, you have to, oops, I just accidentally selected the patch tool. So going back to the clone stamp tool, you have to use the Alt key to select your target area where you're going to collect your photo information that you want to duplicate. So click, and then I'm going to decrease the size of my brush when I take my picture. And then, okay, so one thing I noticed is my opacity is on 72%. So I'm going to just bring it up to 98% because I don't really want to go over it a bunch of times. I'm going to see if that looks a little better. Increase the size of my brush again. A little better, but it looks like I have camera shake on there. And that's because I already made a stamp. And select, and duplicate, select, duplicate, select, duplicate, and almost done. Try to bring some of that stronger texture in the bottom here. There we go. That looks pretty good. And picky. Okay. So there you go. Corrected image.